Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your Corel document and selecting the text tool. This is where control begins. Click for point text or drag to create a paragraph box so you control wrapping. Set font family, size, alignment, and color before entering content to avoid repeated edits. Type your first line, then press Enter for new lines or Control+Enter for manual breaks. This gives precise spacing. Once you have base text, make sure to save a version so you can revert if needed. Now refine appearance. Use the text toolbar or Object Properties docker to adjust kerning, tracking, and line spacing so letters sit evenly. You can apply character styles for consistent headings and body text, and use paragraph alignment or tabs for layout precision. If needed, use Fit Text to Path to wrap text around shapes. This creates dynamic flow. Once edits are satisfactory, group text with objects for positioning, but don't convert to curves until you're finished editing the copy. Finish by checking color mode and export settings. For print, convert to CMYK, and when no more edits are needed, convert text to curves to preserve appearance. Export a PDF or EPS for printing or SVG for web and vector use. Make sure fonts are embedded during export to prevent substitutions. If text disappears or reflows on another computer, embed fonts or outline text. This fixes missing fonts. If problems persist, reopen the original file and verify font files and compatibility before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.